वह सुंदर दिखता है। He looks handsome. He looks handsome. वह इस ड्रेस में सुंदर दिखती है। She looks beautiful in this dress. She looks beautiful in this dress. तुम आज थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look tired today. You look tired today. वे जुड़वा बच्चों की तरह दिखते हैं। They look like twins. They look like twins. तुम्हारे बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। Your hair looks great. Your hair looks great. वह अपनी उम्र से बड़ा दिखता है। He looks older than his age. He looks older than his age. वह इस फोटो में कम उम्र की दिखती है। She looks younger in this photo. She looks younger in this photo. हम साथ में अच्छे लगते हैं। We look good together. We look good together. वह उदास दिखता है। He looks sad. He looks sad. तुम आज खुश दिख रहे हो। You look happy today. You look happy today. वह किसी बात पर गुस्से में लग रही है। She looks angry about something. She looks angry about something. वे उलझन में लग रहे हैं। They look confused. They look confused. राहुल चिंतित लग रहा है। राहुल looks worried. राहुल looks worried. शिक्षक सख्त दिखते हैं। The teacher looks strict. The teacher looks strict. तुम मुझे देखकर हैरान लग रहे हो। You look surprised to see me. You look surprised to see me. ऐसा लगता है कि वे घबराए हुए हैं। It looks like they are nervous. It looks like they are nervous. वह बहुत शांत दिखता है। He looks very calm. He looks very calm. वह यात्रा के लिए उत्साहित दिख रही है। She looks excited for the trip. She looks excited for the trip. ये केक स्वादिष्ट लग रहा है। This cake looks delicious. This cake looks delicious. पिज्जा तीखा लग रहा है। The pizza looks spicy. The pizza looks spicy. ये आम पके हुए लग रहे हैं। These mangoes look ripe. These mangoes look ripe. तुम्हारी नई कार महंगी लग रही है। Your new car looks expensive. Your new car looks expensive. ये घर बहुत पुराना दिखता है। This house looks very old. This house looks very old. पानी गंदा दिख रहा है। The water looks dirty. The water looks dirty. ये फूल ताजे लग रहे हैं। These flowers look fresh. These flowers look fresh. आसमान में बादल दिख रहे हैं। The sky looks cloudy. The sky looks cloudy. ये घड़ी नकली लग रही है। This watch looks fake. This watch looks fake. कमरा बिखरा हुआ लग रहा है। The room looks messy. The room looks messy. ऐसा लगता है कि बारिश हो सकती है। It looks like it might rain. It looks like it might rain. वह डॉक्टर जैसा दिखता है। He looks like a doctor. He looks like a doctor. यह एक कठिन काम लगता है। This looks like a difficult task. This looks like a difficult task. वे ऐसे लग रहे हैं जैसे वे जीत रहे हों। They look like they are winning. They look like they are winning. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे दुकान बंद है। It looks as if the shop is closed. It looks as if the shop is closed. वह ऐसी लग रही है जैसे वह सोई न हो। She looks like she hasn't slept. She looks like she hasn't slept. तुम ऐसे लग रहे हो जैसे तुमने भूत देख लिया हो। You look like you've seen a ghost. You look like you've seen a ghost. ये योजना एकदम सही लगती है। This plan looks perfect. This plan looks perfect. स्थिति गंभीर लग रही है। The situation looks serious. द सिचुएशन लुक्स सीरियस। वह ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे उसे मदद की जरूरत हो। He looks like he needs help. He looks like he needs help. वह व्यस्त नहीं दिखता। He doesn't look busy. He doesn't look busy. तुम ठीक नहीं लग रहे हो। You don't look well. You don't look well. यह आसान नहीं लगता। It doesn't look easy. It doesn't look easy. वे रुचि रखते हुए नहीं दिख रहे हैं। They don't look interested. They don't look interested. वह अपनी बहन जैसी नहीं दिखती। She doesn't look like her sister. She doesn't look like her sister. ये फोन नया नहीं लगता। This phone doesn't look new. This phone doesn't look new. हम एक जैसे नहीं दिखते। We don't look alike. We don't look alike. खाना ताज़ा नहीं लग रहा है। The food doesn't look fresh. The food doesn't look fresh. यह एक अच्छा विचार नहीं लगता। It doesn't look like a good idea. It doesn't look like a good idea. वह चोर जैसा नहीं दिखता। He doesn't look like a thief. He doesn't look like a thief. क्या वह मेरे जैसा दिखता है? Does he look like me? Does he look like me? क्या मैं इसमें मोटा लग रहा हूँ? Do I look fat in this? Do I look fat in this? क्या ये पेशेवर लगता है? Does it look professional? Does it look professional? क्या वे खुश दिख रहे हैं? Do they look happy? Do they look happy? क्या वह मॉडल जैसी दिखती है? Does she look like a model? Does she look like a model? मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ? How do I look? How do I look? क्या मौसम साफ लग रहा है? Does the weather look clear? Does the weather look clear? क्या ये जूते ठीक लग रहे हैं? Do these shoes look okay? Do these shoes look okay? क्या वह आपको जाना पहचाना लगता है? Does he look familiar to you? Does he look familiar to you? बोर्ड की ओर देखो। Look at the board. Look at the board. वह उसे प्यार से देखता है। He looks at her with love. He looks at her with love. वह अपनी दादी की देखभाल करती है। She looks after her grandmother. She looks after her grandmother. मैं अपनी चाबियां ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. कृपया इस फोटो को देखें। Please look at this photo. Please look at this photo. वह हर चीज में गलतियां ढूंढता है। He looks for mistakes in everything. He looks for mistakes in everything. वे अपने बगीचे की देखभाल करते हैं। They look after their garden. They look after their garden. उस पक्षी को देखो। Look at that bird. Look at that bird. वह हमेशा सकारात्मक पक्ष को देखती है। She always looks at the bright side. She always looks at the bright side. वह अवसरों की तलाश करता है। He looks for opportunities. He looks for opportunities. अब सब कुछ साफ दिख रहा है। Everything looks clean now. Everything looks clean now. मेरे बॉस आज बहुत खुश दिख रहे हैं। My boss looks very happy today. My boss looks very happy today. ये रंग आप पर अच्छा लगता है। This color looks good on you. This color looks good on you. सड़क फिसलन भरी लग रही है। The road looks slippery. The road looks slippery. वह ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वह रोने वाला हो। He looks like he is about to cry. He looks like he is about to cry. ये पेंटिंग असली लगती है। This painting looks real. This painting looks real. तुम एक पेशेवर खिलाड़ी की तरह लगते हो। You look like a professional player. You look like a professional player. यह एक लंबी यात्रा लगती है. It looks like a long journey. It looks like a long journey.